What is the best marketing strategy for adult content? The best out of the best. I would say the ultimate always is paid ads because it can be scaled to the world. Okay, so that's the best of the best. It requires testing up front. It requires a budget around, let's just say, it depends on the offer though. Let's say it's a low ticket offer, just you could test with $100 to know if it's working. And you could also get enough data to know what ads of yours is working and what placements are working. And I'm talking about banner ads with adults. Banner ads with adults, scaling with that is very powerful. Pop under adult can be very, very powerful. It's probably the lowest quality in the world, but if you know what you're doing, I mean, it's crazy. You can literally instantly monetize it and traffic arbitrage it. It's insane. Even in the back end, if you do it right, you can actually get extra affiliate conversions with this specific method. Okay, I talked about it in the golden ticket. But anyway, I'm not trying to sell anything here. I'm just trying to give value here. Okay, let's see. Another best strategy if you want to do free with adult is literally YouTube. Okay, YouTube. I attribute YouTube to all my success. I mean, I got a massive channel. I'm trying to grow this personal brand. The truth is, to grow this personal brand, I think I need 500 videos. That's my personal opinion. My other channel, I got thousands and thousands of videos, okay? And they all add up. It's like all these videos get views per day, and it adds up to the total view count for the whole day. And that's why having more content out there on one channel is huge. Just understand that. So if you do a channel on YouTube and you're promoting adult offers, you're going to crush it. And by the way, don't forget, the Instant Money Blueprint, I talked about this, okay? It's closed down, by the way, that whole program. But what I said in it, in a way, it's just one section of the whole entire program. I talked about how adult and edgy content gets, like, attention, okay? It gets views. Like, go on TikTok. I mean, chicks be bouncing, chicks be, you know, and that gets attention. And it's very powerful to understand that, because if you can't beat it, you can't hate on it. You have to join it. And when you make content, okay, that's adult related and not too edgy and stuff like this, you're going to get attention. You're going to get views. And that's congruent with adult offers. So you can promote adult offers with YouTube. Just don't go too far and get in trouble or whatever. But it's going to tell you, okay, when you're uploading a video, it's going to check the content. It's going to know if it's content that isn't good, okay? And that's very important. And the more videos you make, it's just going to add up every day. And if you have the same description, I mean, and link into great offers, by the way, you should always have a landing page with affiliate marketing with YouTube. You're going to crush it. So here's what I forgot to say. You're doing this adult content. It's getting attention, but you're also on the highest quality traffic source in the entire world, which is YouTube. Okay. TikTok is not the most quality traffic source in the world. But by the way, TikTok can also, TikTok's not a long-term thing, and the content doesn't last forever because it gets hidden. It only has so much of a shelf life, okay? But YouTube has forever shelf life. There is no reason why someone should